When visiting Chiang Mai, a cooking class is a great way to learn about local cuisine and get a delicious meal all at once. Our day began by being taken to the locals' food market. Afterwards, we were brought to the garden outside of the cooking area and learned about some of the fresh herbs that they grow locally. With that out of the way, it was time to get started. We began by making the filling for the spring rolls. This used a lot of bean sprouts and various sauces. Now it was time to get started on our individual dishes. For my first dish, I chose to make my favorite dish in Thailand, stir-fried holy basil. This is a spicy and savory dish that can be eaten for any meal of the day, and I had this for breakfast more times than I can count. First things first, we have to chop all of the raw ingredients. I'm no professional chef, so pardon my knife skills. Now it was time to prepare the spring rolls. To be honest, I was pretty proud of this wrap job. Time to turn on the stovetop and get cooking. At this point, I was anxious to dig in, and our first course did not disappoint. In preparation for the second half of the cooking class, we sat down to prepare the bases for our curries. My dish of choice was Khao Soi, a spicy red curry noodle dish that comes from northern Thailand. Once it was all done, I put it in a bowl and set it aside. My next dish was coconut soup, which I had always wanted to try. In this cooking class, we had a lot of collaboration and shared ingredients, and watching the teacher coordinate with all of us was super impressive. Once the coconut soup was prepared, I put the Khao Soi ingredients together and brought everything to the table to enjoy our last meal of the night. We really enjoyed this experience, and if you're ever in Chiang Mai, I would highly recommend you to try it as well.